Well, you know, it's a great day out here. We're out at Lake Coventry again. And as you can see over there in the distance, there's some Earth Day people collecting garbage and stuff like that. Kudos to them. It's awesome to keep the place clean. You know, nice little bit of weather. Gonna enjoy me an ice cap finally for the rest of the year. And check it out. There's a tunnel boat. Attached my little GoPro-esque camera to it. I'm a little nervous, can't you tell? I've strapped a little balloon to it through a little pin at the top. I gotta be really careful with this thing because you look at this camera funny, the casing or something snaps, and yeah, I'm just a little nervous. So the balloon is on there and holding it in. Also wrote out the barbed wire, and just for a little bit more fun, there's the EXO. Got me some my DX3S. Like I said, it's a beautiful day. The sun's not shining, so it's nice. You don't have to worry about sunburn. Let's go racing, boys. Good day quickly went to, well, shit. So, the tunnel boat flipped on me. Of course, it's not a waterproof ESC. I hope my receiver's still okay. You know, it is balloon and whatever else. While trying to recover the ProBoat, I popped my little safety balloon. Thankfully, it all stayed attached, so I'm happy about that. Little water creatures. But the whole hull is full of water. The servo's probably going to be toast. My battery should be okay. This is probably, I gotta assume it's toast. Busted up my prop trying to get it. Oh well, such is life.